What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Red Dragon Rylo Pro combo, and we're going to take a look at what's inside the box and how this keyboard fares compared to some of the other ones that I've received. And I'm officially sponsored by Red Dragon, so thank you so much, Red Dragon, for sponsoring this video and for providing a ton of awesome keyboards throughout the year here. And I got a ton of different colors and options to choose from. And then some of my favorites would be the graffiti style keyboard. That one is so cool and I really like that one. So we're going to do a full unboxing. We're going to test the keyboard out to see how it feels and to see if it's something that you would pick up. And it's pretty affordable. This is not something that will break the bank. This is perfect for going back to school, or if you're trying to upgrade from a normal keyboard to kind of like a gaming style keyboard with a nice cool RGB background. This would be something that would be a great starter kit for anyone who's getting into PC gaming. Here are some of the key features. There are 3 modes for connecting, and it's compatible with multiple devices and OS. The keyboard has 26 keys with anti-ghosting. The mouse has a max of 1000 Hz polling rate, unlocking lightning speed precision, wireless connection to experience true freedom, and clutter-free workspace. The backlight has 8 modes, so you can customize it however you want. You can also download and use the mouse and keyboard software for Windows. With the keyboard software, you can adjust all of the lighting settings on one click. For the mouse software, you can adjust your macro list, you can update your DPI settings, and control your lighting. Now, right away, I felt that this keyboard was a little bit light and it felt a little bit more on the cheaper side. I'll be very honest. It doesn't feel as premium as some of their other keyboards. But again, like I mentioned, this is something that's really good for an entry-level gamer or PC gamer that's getting into that for the very first time. So that is it for this one, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up this bundle, I have a link in the description down below, which is an affiliate link, and I'll get you 15% off your first purchase. So thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.